Hello everyone, welcome to the Salesforce internship program. Today we are going to discuss about to creating a reports and dashboard for our Power BI CRM app. In this app, we are going to create a report folder. We are going to create a reports. We are also going to create a dashboards and dashboard folder. So let's create a custom report type actually. Okay. So we call custom report type. So let's see whether we have a list of application requests status wise. This is what we need to create first. So before we create this report, we need to create a report folder. So our first step is to create a report folder. For this, let's go to the report tab, or either you can search for the Power BI CRM app. In this CRM app, we already have added our reports and dashboard folder. We are going to click on a report and then click on a new folder. Just put the folder name called Power BI CRM report. And then hit save button. Once you are done, as you see, we are at Power BI CRM app, CRM report. For this, we need to give access to the users. So just hit drop down button and then click on a share button. In this, you can search for the particular user called Power BI agent. You can give a view access, edit access, and manage access. Edit means they can go and edit the report and then they can make a filter on it. Manage means the entire folder they can manage. They can create a new report in this folder and they can modify the full reports, and they can also delete the reports. So I am giving a edit access. I do not want to alter my all the report related component. Let's hit save button. So I have given access of Power BI CRM folder, access to report folder to our agent. Now we are going to create a new report on application request. Search for application request and hit start report. In this first episode, in the first report, we are going to create application request status wise. So what we need a status. Hit refresh, or you can automatically update this toggle button on, and then group by this field. We can also add a requirement, breed requirement. We can put a customer name, their last name, their email, and their state and city. Right? So let's hit save and run. We are going to put a name called application request status wise. Select a folder and save the full report in a Power BI CRM report folder that we have created just now, and then hit save button. Now see, we have application which is a new. Two are under interview started, right? Now let's move to the another report here. We are going to create a list of all quote status wise actually. So let's again go ahead and click on a report, click on new report, and then search for the quote. Select all. As you see, we are not able to see the report type for quote. So whatever the report type is available here, they are all standard report type which is available. In Salesforce, they does provide a report type called custom report type. Just click on a setup. Let's create a report type. which we call a custom report type. Custom report type we can correlate with the object which is related to each other. So here we are going to select quote and the quote line item. We can also have a relationship between these objects, as well as this object relationship has a 4 level of limitations actually. So you cannot go beyond 4 level of object relationship. So you can go to the A, B, C and D. Here we have an options to also choose a left outer join or right outer join or the inner join actually. So similarly you can apply these relationship while creating a report type. Let's hit on a new report type. I am going to select a object name called quote. I am saying quote with a quote line item. Just put the same name. And let's save in a other report folder. We can say other reports, make it deployed and next. In this next step we need to select a related object. So we are going to select a quote line item. If you want to also know the more information regarding other object, you can add, let's suppose, activities if you are doing or anything others, right? So I'm not selecting anything else. I would like to match all the records. So either each A record must have a one, at least a B record, of course, because I do not want to see any other quote which does not have the quote line item in it, right? Then hit save button. Once you are done, go back to the report tab and click on a new report. Let's search for the all, and here we have created called quote with the quote line item. So this the report is available now. Let's click on the start button. What we are looking for, we are looking for the quote status wise report, right? Again we are going to select a status, make this field as a group by. Let's add a more column in it. I'm going to add a quote net total amount, customer name, customer acceptance date, account, shipping address, city and the state. That's it, right? If you have a breed requirement, you can have a breed requirement, you can add, and then hit save and run button. Quote with status wise. Select a folder where we have just created a PowerBreed CRM app. Select folder and hit save button. Now let's move to the another report. We have called open quote with the quote amount quarterly wise. So we are going to create a more report on a quote. So again I'm going to select a custom report type. We need to choose a quote total amount. This time we need to choose a date. So we have customer acceptance date, right? We can put a group by this field, and this field we can do a group by day, week, quarter. So we are looking for a quarter here. Hit save and run. Quote with quote amount quarterly wise. Quarterly. Just select a report folder called PowerBreed CRM and then hit save button. Let's move to the another report called list of accepted code with amount in each month. So in each month we have a different what do you call code. So we need to create a code with the code line item again, status wise report. This time code total amount and then customer acceptance date. So this time we are going to select a group by this field, but not by quarter but by month, and we need to put a filter called list of accepted code only. So we are going to filter out, we'll put a filter call here. We are going to put all the time data, including we need to put a filter called customer acceptance date not equal to blank, right? And then hit save button, call quote with monthly total. Acceptance date. Select a folder, Powerbeat CRM, select folder, hit save button. That's it. So you are done with the report. Where you see in my all folder, you can go and select to the Powerbeat CRM. We have successfully created these 4 reports. Now as you know, we are looking for the dashboards also. So we need to create a new dashboard folder first, called Powerbreed CRM dashboard, and then hit save button. We are going to create a new dashboards called Powerbeat CRM. Select a folder, Powerbeat CRM dashboards, hit save button. In this dashboard we are going to add a widget. Widget is basically a chart. So we are looking for acceptance, application is request status wise. This status we are looking for a new this vertical horizontal bar chart, and then click on add button. Let's add a more report here. We have another call quote with the status wise. This time I'm going to look for vertical bar chart. Let's add another widget. This time our quarterly quote. This time I'm looking for the gauge report or pie report actually, and then put on add, and then you can also set here. Now look for the another one called monthly. In monthly we are going to use let's see, I'm going to choose alright, I think this one is also perfect for us. That's it. We can add another widget called image. So we are going to add this widget to our app, right? Here you see. So let's adjust the report on this canvas. right. Let's adjust a bit. Perfect. Let's hit save button and click on done. Now you see how this perfectly look like uh, our dashboards in a good way. Now our next step is to add to the home page layout. Click on a home, click on setup icon and click on edit page. In this we are need to add a dashboard component. In this dashboard, as you know, we already have that Power CRM. Maximum height you can put or you can just leave it as it is. Hit save button and activate. Assign the SARG as a default. Click on save button and let's go back to the home page. Now you see we have successfully, we can see the our dashboard added on the home component. So this is all about our today's discussion, where we were talking about creating a report folder, giving access to our agent, giving access to the end user, creating a dashboard folder, giving the access to the agent as well as the end user, and then adding those report widget to our dashboard component. And finally, once you are done with all reports, their filters and everything, let's go ahead and add that dashboard to the home page component. That's it. So today is our session regarding this one, and then in our next episode, let's stay tuned for our next episode. We'll discuss more onto these applications. Thanks once again. Thanks for joining this Salesforce internship program.